OFADA stew, aka Ayamase stew without bleach palm oil. It's so delicious. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. To make OFADA stew, you need variety of pepper. It may be the variety of the yellow one, the variety of the green one, or the variety of the red one. Or you can just do the combination like the way I'm doing. I've already cleaned the pepper, they are perfectly clean. I'm going to transfer them into the blender and blend it roughly. You can use a food processor to just chop it up. But today I'm going to be making use of blender. Here I have a bowl and a sieve. I'm going to transfer the blended pepper into the sieve and just allow the water to drain out. I raise my blender with a little bit of water, nothing goes waste, and I pour that into the pepper. I'm going to leave this for a couple of minutes just for the water to drain out. In OFADA stew, you don't need water. You want it to be very dry. I just go in with the spatula, press the pepper down so all the waters can go out. I add a little bit of oil, a good reasonable amount of oil into my pot, allow to heat up. I go in with the chopped onion and locust beans. I'm going to stir fry this till I can perceive the aroma of the onion and the locust beans. To make ofada stew, you need locust beans, alright? Make use of a good reasonable amount of locust beans. Once I can perceive the aroma from the onion and the locust beans, that took about 2 minutes. I go in with the blended pepper. As you guys can see, the pepper is rough, it's not smooth. Or further still, the pepper must be rough. Once I add the pepper, I just give everything a quick stir until they are well combined together. Another thing you guys need to know, ofada stew is usually spicy. But the good thing is when you are cooking it by yourself, you can just customize it according to your taste. This particular one is mild, it's not spicy at all. We are not a pepper fan in this family, alright? I go in with a little bit of chicken stock to add more flavor into the stew, just a tiny bit. And I go in with seasoning cube and salt, and I add my pomo and beef, and that is it. That is all I'm going to be using. You don't need curry, you don't need thyme in ofada stew. If you have any local seasoning, you can just add it. But locust beans and salt and seasoning cube, it is perfect, alright? Give everything a quick stir, cover it and allow to fry on a low heat. You don't want to fry this on a high heat. If you fry it on a high heat, it's going to burn. You need a low heat to fry it, alright? I came back, I opened the pot and I give it a quick stir. And you guys, the aroma is heavenly. The aroma is absolutely amazing. Trust me, go and give it a try. You will not regret it. I tested for seasoning, everything is perfect, and I go in with some crayfish powder. I had my crayfish powder and I go in with the boiled egg. There is no ofada stew without boiled egg. That is the signature of ofada stew. Add as much as you want. I give everything a quick stir again. I'm going to cover the pot and allow everything to fry on a very low heat. You don't want to fry this on a high heat. Once you add your egg, reduce the heat to the lowest and allow to fry. While the stew is frying, I open it and I'm stirring on it, alright? But I don't want to bore you guys with stirring and stirring and stirring, alright? At this point, the stew is perfectly fried. As you guys can see, the oil has settled on top, alright? That is it. That means that your stew is perfectly done, alright? I just go ahead, give it a final good stir. And you guys, this tasted absolutely delicious. There is no difference with bleach palm oil. Here is how you can make your ofada stew without bleach palm oil. Trust me. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. You can enjoy your ofada stew with whatever you want. I pair it with rice and beans and it's absolutely amazing. See you guys in my next video. Bye.